Description: featuring an ultra-mild formula free of harsh cleansing agents, this cult classic gently eliminates impurities and defends against dryness to preserve the integrity of swimmer's hair, restore softness and reveal high shine. Benefits: prevents dry, brittle, swimmer's green hair, purifies and hydrates for maximum manageability and shine. Suggested use: massage into wet hair, then rinse. For best results, follow with Swimmer's Wellness Remedy and Miracle Repair weekly. Purify your hair with this gentle, hydrating shampoo infused with antioxidants that defend against dryness and damage caused by hard water. Gently restore your scalp and hair from water damage with vegan wellness ingredients that are safe to use daily. Remove copper buildup and avoid the dreaded swimmer's green hair with preservative-free wellness ingredients. Top reviews from the United States. Great for use after swimming or product buildup. This product is a bit expensive, but it works great for my hair. I use it after using tons of products in my hair to break down the buildup, or right after swimming to get the chlorine out of my hair.